in this video I am going to show you how to edit footer of your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to edit the footer of this Wix website. We can edit and customize each and every aspect of this footer, like we can edit this image, this text, this mailing list, this text and these social media icons. At first we are going to remove powered by Wix from here. So we are going to select it, edit the text and then remove it. We can also add our own custom text here, and also we can change its style. Just click on edit text. We can change its font from here, and also we can change its font color and font size. After that we can also change this image as well. Just click on the image and then click on change image. Now we can upload the media from our computer and change it. After that we can also change the color of the footer. So we are going to select the footer and then click on change footer design. And here we have multiple theme colors that we can use for our footer. Like we can go with the black, gray, or we can also customize its design as well. So we are going to close it. So if you want to delete any element from your footer, just right click on it and then click on delete. And in this way it will be deleted. Now if you want to change these social icons, just click on it and then click on set social links. Now to delete any social icon, just hover over it and then click on delete. Now to add your own link to the social icons, just click on this link button, paste your own link here and then click on done. You can also add elements to your footer. Let's say I want to add a menu to my footer. So from the left menu I am going to click on add elements. Now select menu from here and then click on vertical menus. Now I am going to drag this menu to my page. And as you can see that our menu is now added to our footer. So we are going to select this text and make it smaller. And now we can set our menu according to our own choice. So this is how you can edit your footer in Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.